So para maging parte ka ng isang gobyerno, you need to have the single... Alam mo, nung ako'y bata, may tinatawag silang New World Order. May mga prophecy na ang end time, ito I don't wanna sound religious, patawarin nyo ako, but I love reading books when I was young. Nung kabataan ko, may tinatawag silang New World Order. Magkakaroon daw ng world government na lalabas, bagong gobyerno na lalabas, and part of that is yung currency na gagamitin. No, there's gonna be a one currency to be used. With everyone using Bitcoin, diba? Dano na yun. Papunta na tayo dun. It's a potential ito, diba? Tingnan nyo po, tingnan nyo. There is a potential for a single global currency for the New World Order. Ayan. Okay, dito na natatakot So sabi nila, this New World Order is a sign of the end of times. Yan. It's a conspiracy theory. Matagal na